Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to transfer money from CIBC to TD Bank. First of all, open up the CIBC official website. Once you get into its official site, you will find out the process to transfer money. First of all, sign on to CIBC online or mobile banking. Now, from the menu, select Global Money Transfer. Then enter your recipient's information and the amount you want to send. After that, choose the account you want to use and select Submit. If you prefer not to use online or mobile banking, you can also contact CIBC's telephone banking service. A representative will assist you in initiating the transfer. When initiating the transfer, it's essential to double-check all the details to ensure accuracy. Mistakes in the recipient's account information can lead to delays or issues with the transfer. Additionally, it's important to consider any fees that may be associated with the transfer method you choose. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.